Ready to unlock seamless navigation on your Wix website by learning how to link text like a pro. First, find the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. In this example, we'll use the word contact. Next, click on the link icon in the text formatting toolbar that pops up right above the text you highlighted. A window will appear, presenting you with different linking options. You can link to an external website using web address, to another page on your Wix site using page, to a specific section on the current page using anchor, or to a downloadable file using document. You can also link directly to an email. For this demonstration, let's choose web address to link to an external website now. Carefully type or paste the full URL of the website you want to link to in the provided field, ensuring you include the HTTPS or HTTP. Consider checking the box that says Open in a new window. This ensures that when someone clicks the link, it opens in a separate tab, keeping your website open in the original window. Click outside the link settings window to apply the link. You'll notice the text is now underlined, indicating it's a hyperlink. Hover your mouse over the link text to double-check that the correct URL is displayed in the pop-up. Now, switch to preview mode in your Wix editor. This is crucial to test your link and ensure it functions correctly. Click on the link text to confirm that it opens the correct web page in a new tab or window, just as you intended. And that's it. You've successfully linked text in Wix. Now you can use this powerful technique to create seamless navigation and enhance your website's user experience.